Greetings, viewers. 'Tis I, Harry.
And I, Adam. We've returned from our small summer hiatus to bring you the third installment of your least favorite show, Nerdspiracy.
The show where we throw away our dignity for a couple minutes in the spotlight.
We're really trying here.
We'd like to take a quick second to thank all of those supporting us.
AKA our moms and our teacher who's making us do this.
Enough yammering. Today's whimsical subject is known around the world.
Today we'll be discussing the Earth is flat.
So let's jump right in.
We've got a scientist here with us today to prove why the Earth is round.
First things first, let's explain gravity.
Gravity is when the mass of one object is more than the mass of the other. This makes it so the object with more mass is heavier and will fall towards the center of the Earth. Fun fact, the sun's mass is greater than all the planets, so it holds them all into place. Magnetic fields are the current that allows magnetism and natural electricity flow around the Earth. It's caused by the poles. Fun fact, compasses run on the Earth's magnetic field, which is why they always point north. In a flat Earth, compasses wouldn't work.
He's something else.
I kind of like him.
Of course you do. Let's see what else he knows. Max?
Longitude and latitude are the imaginary lines that the sun follows on the Earth. The only reason they're there is because the Earth is round. Fun fact, these exist only because the Earth is round. If the Earth was flat, you couldn't track where you were in the world or the stars. Time zones are the different regions on Earth where the time is different from each other. These exist because the sun isn't over the entire Earth at the same time. Fun fact, in a flat Earth, the entire world would share the same exact time since the sun would be on the meridian and equator covering the entire flat Earth.
He's a feisty one, isn't he?
Adam, have you ever wondered if the Earth is flat, does that make the other planets in our solar system flat?
Gee, I've never been bored enough to think about that. But let's see what our scientist knows. Max?
The solar system is all the planets held together by the sun's gravity. Fun fact, Flat Earth Society members say that all the other planets are round because it's been scientifically proven.
That was interesting.
Not the word I would use, but sure.
For our next clip, our scientist will be explaining day, night, and the seasons. Max, roll the clip.
It's day and night. How much simpler can it get? Sun's up, day. Sun's not up, night. The four major times of the year are caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis. Fun fact, if the Earth was flat, there'd be no axis and the sun would shine the same amount of rays all over it at once, making it only one season.
Next, we will show you some poorly educated flat earthers expressing their beliefs.
We'll start with some basic questions.
You can see here what the flat Earth really looks like. The North Pole is actually in the center of the flat disk Earth. And Antarctica is a 200-foot tall wall of ice that surrounds the entire perimeter of the flat Earth. It's
I
not
don't take anybody else's word for it. I don't know if the world's flat or not. I had no idea. I like helicopters fly, airplanes, the artificial horizon. I just couldn't dismiss it after like 4 to 5 months of researching this.
After 10 months of examining the information available and also figuring out other things on my own, it became quite clear that the flat Earth is the truth.
Now you're going to say, what about globes? Well, globes were created by the education system so kids can all stand around the outside and look at the map at the same time. It's simple, people. Don't be stupid.
Okay, can we just agree that the Earth is round and move on with our lives?
Let's just pretend this whole episode never happened.
I've got a burrito in my lunchbox that's calling my name, so let's wrap this up.
I'm Harry.
And I'm Adam.
Join us next time on Nerdspiracy Alternate Facts.
Take a picture way up high in the atmosphere, you can see the curvature of the Earth. It's pretty cool.